Hey guys, it's Ella here and welcome back to my channel. Today is the 20th of January and I'm going to bring you guys along with me with what I get up to. Yeah, we're going to be going to Dreamworld, Whitewater World today, so I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So yeah, if you're new and haven't subscribe to my channel, please click the red button down below and give this video a big thumbs up, as that would be awesome. And yeah, let's go. Today I'm just wearing bather outfit. Go. Did my makeup just a little bit. Okay, let's go. Bye guys. Hi guys, well, it's Ella here and I'm back with another video. Today we are off to get on a cruise boat to see around the Gold Coast. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I'm not sure if I brought you along with me yesterday, but that's okay. To continue on, it's the next day and I'm going to bring you on a boat with me. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Got a bit burnt today. Anyway, let's go. Bye. hotel room now. Just chilling.
Yep, just chilling. Nearly dead. Burnt, crispy nose.
Yeah, I got burnt. Real bad. Like, you can't see on my face.
Her legs are burnt off.
Because I have makeup on, but underneath here is red. My neck is red.
Red.
Want to see these little arms?
Yeah.
Red.
Red. See mine?
Leg even redder.
See my nose? Crispy.
See? Red.
See my face?
Whoa. You can't really see on camera. Doesn't do it justice.
See my
But these
nose?
boys
Crispy.
are red.
Crispy nose.
Red, red, red.
I got a crispy nose.
And he's talking about his crispy nose.
Crispy, very crispy. I got a nose that's so crispy, it could be a crispy chip.
Yeah. Went to Woolworths to get some food.
Food.
And now we're just chilling at the table waiting for the guy to come to fix that air conditioner because
Yeah, it's not working.
it's making loud noises and it's just not working.
It's showing.
So yeah,
Smoker would come up and say,
the cruise was pretty good. I'm glad we were inside.
It might be, yeah.
And you know, we're just chilling. My legs are boiling.
Legs are boiling.
Gonna wait for the person to come and fix the air conditioner.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna have our hot chicken that we got for dinner.
Chicken, nothing with it. Or
And
that one does.
yeah, and then I'm gonna have a nice cold,
Bath.
cool bath. I'm just gonna chill in there
When
until
she
my
gets
legs
in it, it's going to take her an hour to get in it.
till my legs are cooled down.
Yep.
And then
1 hour
that's
to
it.
get in.
Pretty much for the night. And then we got a big long tour tomorrow. So I'm gonna put this camera on charge.
Yep, waterfalls.
And we're gonna go see some waterfalls and lots of different things, and I'm very excited. But if you're new to my channel and have not subscribed, please click the thumbs up button and the subscribe button, the red one that's right here. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Bye bye.
Bye.